In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop Microsoft Edge from running in the background. So to do this, what I would do is go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge. And once it's open, you can go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. You can then head over to settings. Now there are a couple of things that you can do here. If you go to system and performance, then go to system, you'll see here startup boost, which we can go ahead and disable. And this opens Edge faster when you start your device. Obviously, you can start Edge when you want to. You don't need it to open up automatically. Then here you've got continue running background extensions and apps when Edge is closed. We can uncheck this, and I can even uncheck this, which is talking about graphics acceleration. Okay, so those are the settings in Edge. That's going to do a good job of stopping it from running. Now, the one thing that I would do as well, if you right click on your start menu, you can then go to Task Manager. Here in Task Manager, look for the startup app. So you want to click here, Startup Apps. It's going to be the fourth icon down. You then may see Microsoft Edge in here. If you don't want Microsoft Edge to open on startup, you can find it. You can then right click and you can then click disable. I've already done this, so I don't have Edge, but try those and it will then stop running in the background. I hope that video helped you out.